Here I have XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off. And after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume up. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And here you have such options as reboot, wipe data and connect with Mi Assistant. If you want to exit this mode, just select the first option, reboot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.